How to make easy and healthy green smoothie? Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. The essence of a green smoothie is fruit and leafy greens. Leafy greens can range from spinach, kale, chard, bok choy, etc. The health benefits of adding leafy greens to your smoothie are that it adds extra phytonutrients and fiber, slowing down the absorption of sugars into your body. To make this smoothie, here are the ingredients that needed. 1 medium ripe banana, 1 cup of fresh, canned, or frozen pineapple, 3 large handfuls of fresh spinach washed, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 6-ounce water, 1 teaspoon coconut oil optional. Here are the simple direction. Put all ingredients in a blender, including the banana, pineapple, spinach, Greek yogurt, water, and coconut oil. Blend it until make it smooth. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out 9 common bad effects of sugar to your health. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.